Hey there everybody, big warm welcome back to my channel and welcome to my latest video, which is a winter morning cleaning routine video. In this video I'm going to show you what my morning cleaning and housework routine is once I've dropped my eldest off at school and I come back home and I start my morning routine. So as I said, I have done the school run. It's just after 9 a.m. and the first thing I'm going to do is make myself a cup of coffee. Cleaning is so much more enjoyable when you have a cup of coffee close to hand. So the first thing I'm going to do is just tidy up the kitchen. There's just bits and pieces everywhere from the morning. The elf obviously is here as well. So I'm just going to tidy up and declutter before I do anything else. I'll also put any bits in the dishwasher that need to go in, and if it's full I will turn the dishwasher on as well. Next up I'm going to wipe down the sides. I'm going to use this festive flash spray and a microfiber cloth to do this. I'm just going to spray all of the surfaces in my kitchen area and wipe them all down. Do not tell my son that I have picked up the elf to do this, or he will never ever talk to me again. I'm just going to continue all the way around the kitchen, making sure I've got all of those crumbs from our morning toast and any other bits that have built up on the sides. Onto the dining table now, and the first thing I need to do is tidy up and declutter. There's loads of drawing stuff here where my eldest has been drawing in the morning before school and writing Christmas cards and whatnot, so I'm just going to tidy all of this away so that I can clean the surface. Now that it's a clear blank space, I can use the flash spray and the cloth to wipe down all of the surface on the dining table. This is where the boys have breakfast, so there is a little bit of mess from breakfast and maybe some from dinner from the night before if I didn't get time to wipe that down. So I'm just going to work all the surfaces on the dining table. Next up, I'm just going to tidy up the play area at the moment in the dining room, kitchen, family room, whatever you want to call this room. My baby isn't here at the moment. I have an 18-month-old as well, and my dad, his granddad, has taken him to a toddler play group, so I'm actually here on my own, which is unheard of, so I'm really enjoying tidying up the toys undisturbed. Next up, I'm just going to put the clean cushion covers back on these cushions. I washed all of the covers yesterday and I need to put them back on. Obviously, this isn't a job that I would do every morning, but it is a job that needs to be done today. So I'm just going to do this first of all. Into the utility room now, and I want to put on a load of washing. I love to put on a load of washing in the morning. I love the sound of the washing machine. Makes me feel really productive and motivated. So I'm just going to put a load of washing on here, put in a washing tablet and some softener, and press go. Now that the washing machine is on, I'm going to get all of the clean washing from yesterday that is clean and dry and folded, pop that in the basket, ready to be carried upstairs. There's also some clean, dry washing still on the rack, so I'm going to take all of this off, fold it up and pop that in the basket to go upstairs as well. I'm going to take this washing upstairs and then I can get on with the chores that need to be done upstairs. First thing I'm going to do upstairs is make the beds, starting with my own. I'm just going to make my bed, then I will go into the boys' rooms and I will make their beds as well. And I'm just going to spray the bed with some Fabulosa fabric spray as well because it smells so fresh and lovely. Now that the beds are made, I'm going to start putting away that clean washing. First of all, I don't know how everyone else does it, but I have to sort all the clean washing into piles individually. So there's a me pile, a Clint pile, a Cooper pile, a Leo pile, and then it makes it so much quicker to put it in the correct bedrooms. But once everything is in its correct pile, I will go into the bedrooms, as you can see here, and I will put all the clothes away into everyone's wardrobes. And the clean bed sheets and towels will go in the linen cupboard here as well. Next thing I want to do is do the hoovering upstairs on the upstairs carpet. So I'm going to get the hoover out of the upstairs cupboard. I have a hoover upstairs and a hoover downstairs just to make life easier. And I'm going to go into every room. We have 5 bedrooms upstairs and 3 bathrooms. So it does take a little while to hoover everything, but I'm just going to go over all the surfaces, working particularly hard on the carpeted surfaces and make sure that they are looking lovely and fresh. I do love a hoover line. There is something so satisfying about doing hoover lines on a carpet, don't you think? So I try and make sure to leave as many hoover lines as possible. Using the handheld attachment as well, I'm also just going to hoover the stairs. I probably wouldn't do these every day. In fact, I don't do these every day, but this is something I really wanted to do today as it's been a little while and they were looking like they needed a really good hoover. So I'm going to take the hoover down the stairs, working on every step as I go as well. And I like to finish the stairs by spraying some Fabulosa room and fabric spray over the stairs as well. This is the autumn one, which smells so divine. And of course, I'm going to finish by lighting my candles. If you know me, you'll know I always finish by lighting my candles. And it is winter, so I've got these gorgeous Christmas candles to light. And I'm going to finish my cup of coffee and enjoy the peace before my toddler gets home. But thank you so much for watching my latest video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.